Hello. Welcome back to Healthicity. Have you ever wondered if invisible forces are secretly influencing how you feel and act each day? Well, prepare to have your mind blown wide open. New research shows that your health and mood are affected by something you can't even see, your frequency. Frequencies are vibrating energy waves that surround us everywhere. Think of them like radio stations. You can't see the signals, but your radio can pick them up. Our bodies are also tuned into certain frequencies that impact how we function. But most of us have no idea the power these energetic wavelengths have over our mind and body. Everything in the universe vibrates at its own unique frequency, including you. Even your thoughts and emotions emit a measurable frequency. This discovery is transforming how health practitioners view illness, mood, and overall well-being. They're realizing the harmful effects of modern technology and stress on our natural frequency. Constant electronic devices, wireless signals, and artificial lighting disturb our natural energetic rhythm. It's like listening to 10 radios at the same time, annoying and disorienting. Even worse, negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness lower our frequency, leaving us fatigued and sick. But there is good news. You can take back control simply by raising your vibration. Higher frequencies unlock greater mental clarity, improved immunity, and a sense of inner peace. You don't even need any expensive equipment or training. There are plenty of easy, enjoyable ways to give your frequency a mega boost. Laughing elevates your vibration almost instantly. Listening to classical or inspirational music also lifts you higher. Even spending time in nature or trying energy healing therapies like Reiki can work magic. One of the most powerful frequency hacks is using positive affirmations. When you speak kind and uplifting words, you emit a higher frequency outward. What you verbally express directly impacts what you experience. But negativity prevents you from accessing higher states. Complaining or gossiping actually brings your frequency down rapidly. Your diet significantly influences your vibration too. Eating fresh plant foods infuses your cells with life force energy from the sun. But processed junk acts like sludge, slowing down all of your systems. Even drinking more pure water can cleanse stuck energetic blockages. See, it's not enough to think positive thoughts if your words, actions, and diet are still out of sync. To raise your frequency, everything must align. But when all aspects of your life support higher vibration, you tap into a divine flow. Many describe this as a feeling of grace, ease, and deep connection to all of life. Miraculous healing and manifestations also occur more effortlessly at these expanded levels of frequency. So are you ready to flip the switch and turn up your frequency to enjoy greater health, success, and joy? Commit to the following tips and get your energetic rhythm into alignment. First, become aware of what's bringing down your vibration. Cut back on news, violent shows, and electronics to give your mind a break. Stop the self-criticism and complaining too. These just clutter your frequency. Next, spend more time doing activities that uplift and inspire you. Listen to music, watch comedies, take nature walks, and read spiritual books. Also try energy healing modalities like sound baths, acupuncture, or Reiki. Make sure your diet contains at least 80% fresh, whole foods. Drink purified water, eat vibrant fruits and veggies, and cut way back on meat, dairy, sugar, and processed ingredients. Nourishing foods boost your frequency fast. Use positive affirmations daily. Write down empowering phrases like, "I am safe and supported," or "My life overflows with joy." Repeat these aloud and feel your frequency rise. Finally, cultivate gratitude, compassion, and presence. These higher vibrational states allow you to align with your soul's purpose. Imagine how much easier life could be if your frequency supported your desires. Minor frustrations would slide away and you'd attract exactly what you need. By raising your vibration, you open up to new potentials that seemed impossible before. The scientific discoveries about frequency are just beginning. But you can use this knowledge now to upgrade virtually every area of your life. As Tesla famously said, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Your future awaits at the highest frequencies. It's time to start tuning in.